So we have just logged into our Shopify account and we have purchased the plan, and now we will understand about the layout of Shopify. So basically now this is the dashboard of Shopify which is front of us. So there is a setup guide in front of you which we have to just skip it for now. We will learn it later. For now we will just understand the sidebar, I mean the dashboard or the menus which are just showing in front of us. So this is the order page. This page will tell us about our orders, our total orders, etc. And after that we have just draft orders. It means that those orders which are just on the draft. And after that we have the abundant checkouts. It means that those who have been at our checkout page, and after that they haven't purchased anything. After that we have the product page. It means that all the products will be shown here, and we will just upload our products from here later. And after that we have just collections. It means that we have to just create different collections for our products, so we will also create that. After that we have inventory, in which we will keep our inventory of the different products here. If you want to just increase inventory, if you want to just decrease it, we will do it from here. After that we have purchase orders. Okay, so it means that those orders which have been purchased from any sale point, so we will show it there. Okay, so after that this is the transfer. It means that we have to just transfer the inventory from one product to another product. This is the gift card. It means that we have to just if we provide any gift card to our customers, it will show us here. And after that we have the section of customers. Okay, now we can just see the customer here. It means the details including the leads will be shown here in the customer section. After that we have the segment section. It means that all the details of the customers will be shown here. And after that we have makeup objects and the files. Okay, so we will talk about this later. And for now we have analytics. So analytics page is very important because it tells us the total sales of our store. It tells us about the comparison periods of different months or maybe different years. And if we scroll it down, so we have just other options here which we will talk about them later. For now we have to just cancel it, and let me cancel it too. So analytics page do have some other options, just like total orders, customer contact analysis, or contact region analysis. It means that from where the orders has been delivered, or from which country those orders have been delivered. So we'll see all this in it. And after that we have reports. It means the reports of the sessions by locations and other things. We will be looking at them here. Okay, so after that we have a live view. It means that currently someone is on our store, someone is on our checkout page. It will just show us here. Okay, so not just that, it will also show us the region, the countries, or those states from which the users are viewing our site. So after that we have just marketing options. It means that those campaigns which we will run for our sales will be shown here. It will show us the conversion rate, total sales from those campaigns, and each and everything about the campaign. After that we have two options. The one is campaigns and the second one is automation. It will show us that how many clicks are there from our campaigns. And if we see the automations, there is something which we will talk about it later. So another option is the discount one. It means that those discounts which we want to offer to our customers, we can just add them here. So we do have other options also. Means that we have the sales channel. It means that online store, including themes, blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. We have to just click it one by one, and here we can just see the themes. we can change it or we can customize it later. And we have blog post, we have different pages, we have the navigation bars of our store, and after that we have the preferences of our store, and after that we do have a point of sale, and the second thing is which is the apps. So these are basically the important things which we have to understood, and yes, we have understood it.